What's up, everybody? Another awesome car here. This is a 68 Shelby GT500. It's a real deal factory Highland Green AC car. It was a factory automatic, but it's now got a 4-speed in it. And I do have the automatic, the original automatic that goes with the car. Car was painted some years back. Not really sure exactly when, honestly, but it still looks really good. It's a really straight car. Just kind of walk around and show you the car, the body, paint. The car it's a really nice car. I would consider it a really nice driver. Would definitely win a lot of shows. But there's a couple imperfections in the paint here and there. One being this in the curve of the fiberglass trunk lid. That's kind of a problem for these fiberglass parts. So that's one. It doesn't look awful. It could definitely be fixed. But it certainly doesn't take anything away from the car. Gaps are really good all the way around. It's got the correct exhaust tips. Here's another spot. Right here's a little bit of bubbling. And on this quarter there's a couple little paint pops. They're hard to see. You can see them there, a couple of them. But it really is just in that little area. The car's been red oxide primered underneath and in the wheel wells. It could use just a little cleaning on the bottom and in the wheel wells in a couple places. There's a little chip right there on the passenger door. But you can see how straight the car is. Got the original Ford VIN tag. Try to show every angle of these cars because most times people buy these sight unseen. So it's a beautiful 500. Go ahead and pop the hood. Hood edge is nice. All right, so about the engine, there's the original tag. It's a 428 Police Interceptor. It's got 428 Cobra Jet heads, which are not correct for the car, but an upgrade as seen in some people's eyes. And a 2.4 intake with aftermarket BK carburetors. There's that tag, the buck tag. It's been cleaned and riveted back on. The original would have had a screw. It's got the correct hood hinges. Correct exhaust manifolds. Let's go to the interior. So it's got the original dash tag, buck tag, has the original door tag, R indicating Highland Green. The interior looks pretty original for the most part. The front seats appear to have been recovered. Still got the original Shelby console, seat belt, steering wheel, 8K tack. It's got the Stewart Warner gauges. Like I said, it's been upgraded to a 4-speed. It's got a Hurst shifter. Dash pad's in great shape. Has the original shoulder harnesses dated to the car. It does have the fold down rear seat. It's got the Shelby seat belts in the rear also. It's hard to see, but they are there. Headliner's in good shape. So we'll start the car, let it idle. Well, you can hear it a little. Get these keys out. Starts right up. Oil pressure. Revs nice. Clean exhaust, no smoking or anything like that. Hood locks work good. '68 GT500 factory Highland Green AC car. I do have some of the AC components also, the pump, a few other parts. It's a beautiful car. It'd make a great Shelby for anyone. These cars are going crazy in value. The 68s are honestly starting to catch up with the 67s. If you've kind of been watching the market, now's really a time to get in one while you still can at a fairly decent price. Beautiful 500. Thanks for watching.